job that I've got on the books. It's going to be a Japanese dragon, or Chinese dragon, one of the two. And this is the largest piece of material that I can put on this bed. It's actually 600 by 900 millimeters. And I'm going to do a roughing cut with the biggest cutter that I've got, which is a 25mm. Then I'm going to cut the design with a 6mm ball nose and then a 3mm ball nose. So here we go. Cut done, and underneath here should resemble, well, a rough outline of a dragon. So that's the result of a 25mm cutter, and it has just roughed out, taken a lot of the excess material away. And now we'll put the 6mm ball nose in, and it should be quite different when that one's finished. it is. I've actually decided that the finish on this using the 6mm ball nose is pretty good for MDF, and I don't think I'll even bother finishing the job off with a 3mm ball nose. In actual fact, that took some considerable time. I think I might have had the distance between tool paths set a little bit too fine. It was 0.2 of a millimeter, and this is the time scale that actually took. I started at 15:30 and finished the job last night at 20:30. That's with the 6mm, and it took about 40 minutes to do the rough-in with the big 25mm. So it's a fairly slow process, but this machine is, I suppose, regarded as a high-speed CNC router, and it's probably partly my fault for having the wrong speed, maybe, or the wrong tool path. But the end result is pretty damn good, and in the long run, maybe it's saved time. I don't know, because doing another pass with a 3mm ball nose would probably take just as long again. So a project like this, it probably takes about 30 to 35 minutes to set this program up in ArtCam, and about 6 hours to cut it. So this is about a 7-hour or a day's work if you was doing this for a job. Luckily I'm doing this as a hobby, so it doesn't really matter to me. Anyway, what I'm going to do now is I've got quite a large 12mm cutter end mill in there, and I'm just going to run around the outside now just to finish that off, and then eventually one day I suppose I'll paint it. Not sure what colour yet. Well, there's another project nearly finished, all by the painting now. I trust you've enjoyed this month's little effort, and next month we'll try something a little different. If anybody's interested, following this video, I'll put a very short video up of how I actually put this together using ArtCam. I use ArtCam Express and ArtCam Jewelsmith. So this was using ArtCam Express. So if you're interested, it's only going to be probably a 3 or 4 minute video. So until next month, bye from me.